Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we're going to be doing our third installment of vlogging daily. We working, we doing it. I hope you are having a good day. If you have not had an opportunity to go back and watch my previous ones, please go back and watch my previous videos. I really do appreciate it, and make sure you give them a thumbs up. Thank you very much. So day 3, let's go. So we're going to start with our Advents. So this one is the pop-up one. This book is really big and it's heavy, so I have to turn it on its side just to get into the box. When we get to the end, then I can, show all the things. Is this one? Okay, no, that's one. We already did one. This is 2. Boom. Here we go. 2. 2 is the little ghosty doggy. Let me move this out the way. The little ghost doggy. I'm just moving this out the way because it's a heavy book. So 2 is a little ghost dog. Is his name Zero? I think his name is Zero. You'll let me know. Okay. So we got the little ghost doggy. And then in our second pop-up. In our second Advent, we have the Pocket Funko Pop. Once again, it's big, so I have to turn it on its side. And I have to fight. So I had to pre-open the box here, so I don't have to fight with it on camera, because last time, yeah, I was fighting and I lost. It's okay. We'll take that. Yes. Just go ahead and take that one. That part. Yes, we're going to cut it open. Yes, because it makes life easier. So let's see what we got today. Today we got, oh, look at him. It's Woody. He is lassoing his Christmas present. Yeehaw! Cowboy. Yes. So that's our Advent for today's episode. We have the little ghost doggy there. And then that's our Funko Pop, little Woody. I decided in today's video to move on to some other things besides just showing the Advent. I'm going to be showing you some ideas that you can put in your planner. Yes. So this was the previous one. So today I'm going to put in here the Advent that I got this time. So we got, oh, wait a minute. I don't want to put the wrong name because I think his name is Zero. But I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait to put it there. So we know we're going to put the little doggy. And then we're going to put the fun size Woody. Fun size. Fun size. Oh, I just did a horrible fun size little Woody. There we go. Fun size Woody. And then I'll put the journaling prompt in there, of course, later. If you're curious, the journaling prompts that I'm using is from the Coffee Monsters Co. You have to follow Helen, the Coffee Monsters Co. on Facebook, and she has them listed there. Every month, there's some type of writing prompt. So if you're interested, go give a follow over there. So in the back of my book, I like to do things with the pages in the back. So this go around, I'm going to be doing this prompt. You probably can't see it very well because I wrote it in pencil, but I am going to go over my pencil markings with a pen. 24 good things about 24. So I have been trying to do something different. Every year I don't do the same exact thing. And I've been doing this since, I think it was like 2021 or maybe 2022. So I would either find 24 things that I did and just, write those things down that made me happy. Or I did a picture in review one time before too. So I would pick, 22 pictures or however many pictures I was doing that particular year. And then I would do a 2-page spread with those pictures to just reflect about that particular year. So this year we're doing 24 good things about 24. So the prep work that I did, I used these stencils and, upside down. I am not sure if these stencils are available. These were a gift. It was a part of a gift that I got a couple of years ago, but I'm pretty sure if you go on to Amazon, you go on over there, and I'm sure if you look up stencil, packages, I'm sure you're going to find something similar to this. This is number 9, and then this one is number 2. So I use the numbers on the bottom of here. And then the boxes that I use is actually this box here because I wanted the curve for my boxes. So that's what I use here. So we're going to learn by trial by error. So you're going to learn from my mistakes. So I'm going to tell you the good and the not so good. So you want the left or you want the right? We're going to go with the left first, right? Okay, so first things first is I counted from the top here, 6 boxes down, 6 rows down, we should say. So I have plenty enough room to put my title on the top. So 6 down, starting from that top box, count down 6. So those little bitty markings that you see there is the 6th line. So you got plenty of room to put your header over the 2 pages. So next I counted how many boxes are from my header to the bottom of the page. And since I'm putting 24 events, my goal was to put 12 on each page. 12 here, 12 there. That was the goal. Okay, so listen to that. That was the goal. Now, don't hurt me now if I told you that's not how it worked, but that was the goal. So to put 12 on the left and 12 on the right. That was the goal. So I'm going to start with the story like that, and then we're going to go into the see what had happened was, you know, because, you know, any good stories, that's how you got to roll with it. That's how you got to roll with it. Before I go too far, I'm going to talk about the tombos I'm going to be potentially using. These are the 2 that I have picked, 245 and 173. 173 has already made an appearance before. 275 is new, so I have not used this particular color. So the plan is to use these colors to trace the information at the top. And then I'm going to use a black Fudanesque. This is a black, I think this is a hard tip. I'm pretty sure it's a hard tip. Yeah, hard tip for the words. Okay, so that's the tools that I have there. So measurements, 6 going down. So you have your banner there. Then each of these, so this is the not correct side. Okay, so just so you know, where's my paper? Oh, here we go. So where is it? The width of each box is 8 going up and down. Okay, so that means counting from here, 8 boxes down, and then you should be able to skip a line and then do 8. Skip a line and do 8. And then from left to right, the width of your box, the length of your box is 16. So that means starting from here, going across 16. Okay, so you should be able to get 2 per line. So what had happened was when I was doing the 8 width, so that means, where's the ruler? Oh, here's a ruler. So here, going up and down, up and down, is 8. So when I calculated, I wasn't paying attention. So when I did the 8 with the line skipping in between, it only gave me enough for 10. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. But I still had a little room down here in the bottom. So I said, well, y'all just going to be little boo-boos, and we just going to make that happen because I was not going to redo this page. No. So here is the right measurement on this side. See, we learned from it. That's why I say you're going to learn from it. Yes. So on this side, the revised side, you're actually going to have 7. So not 8, 7. So that means from this box here to that box there, it should be 7, not 8. But the other measurements are fine. So the length is going to be 16. So your height would be, or the width would be, I'm sure it's height. Yeah, height. The height would be 7 boxes and your length is going to be 16 boxes. And then you should have enough to put your 12 on each page. So I went back after I got all the measurements done. I went and found 24 good things that I liked about 2024. So for example, I did rug tufting. If you don't know what rug tufting is, you need to Google it. I'm telling you, you would so much appreciate doing rug tufting. So I'm going to take my Fudanesque and I'm just going to go over my pencil because I did this one in advance just so you get an idea of, you know, how I'm writing in each of my boxes. So I like to do script in my boxes. So this is one way to practice, you know, your handwriting skills with this particular activity. So I did rug tufting with my family. We had a, a really good time. We really did. It was about 4.5, 5 hours, I want to say. They do offer refreshments. So you're just talking, you know, soda, water, things like that, if you want it. If you don't want it, then you just don't want it. It is what it is. So I did rug tufting this year. I did it earlier this year. So that was one of the things that was good about 2024. And then also something else that I did good in 2024 is I learned how to make bracelets. No, I don't sell bracelets. I make bracelets just for entertainment purposes. And I want to disclaim that me making a bracelet is for entertainment purpose only. That means it is for me to entertain myself. And currently I make them for me, family, friends, things of that nature. So making bracelets is something that I do in my pastime. So that was something good that I learned how to do in this current year. So that's what I mean about 24 good things in 24. So maybe you can find 24 things that you did in 2024 and just journal and reflect on them in the back of your journal, because there are pages back here. You know, you can do that. So with my pen also, I can make the decision to have the both ends curve if I want to, which I probably will. So I'm going to trace the pencil on the other side so you can see what it's looking like for the other side to have the curve. That is the main reason why I use this particular stencil because the boxes curve on the corners. So that is something I wanted to share with you today in the video. So I'll be continuing to do all of my 24 things. I already have my list written down on another piece of paper. I just need now to transfer over to this. So I want to thank you for coming over. Please make sure to like and subscribe. And until next time, bye.